Hey everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybrosys. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the internal notes in Odoo 17 point of sale. So internal notes are used for commenting or messaging in the customer records or in the customer transaction which are not visible for the customers. Now let's see how can we just manage with the internal notes in Odoo 17. For that, you can just click on the three dots and let's go to the configuration settings of restaurant, where you can just click on edit so that you can just manage with the configuration settings. So under the configuration settings, you can find the internal notes, where you can just add the internal notes or the order lines for the kitchen. So once you have enabled with those features, you can just manage with these settings, like you can just save. And let's move on to the dashboard, and now let's open the session, that is restaurant. And internal notes are used for just sharing the information, and we know that are not visible for the customer, but these messages are visible for the staff. And here we can just open the session by setting the opening cache. So I'm going to set the opening cache as 1000. Later on, let's click on open session so that we have just opened the session right now. Now let's choose one of the table in order to make the orders. And here you can see that the customer is going to place order for different items such as bacon burger, cheeseburger, chicken curry sandwich, and one Coca-Cola, as well as one Fanta and one espresso. And the customer need to just deliver this item within 13 minutes. Here if we can see that we can just add a internal note over here in order to give the informations among the staff in the restaurant. So we can just click on the internal note, and here we can just provide the internal note like make it, and you can just click on add. Later on, you can see that we have just added an internal note, and this information can be viewed among the staffs in the restaurant. Later on, we can just click on orders and payment, and you can see that we can just choose a customer, and I'm going to choose Edison as a customer. And if you want to just print the invoice, you can just click on the invoice, and here we can just also choose a payment method. And later on, we can just click on validate button, and you can see that the invoice also over here. So in the invoice, we cannot find the internal notes over here as that of the customer note, because we know customer note won't be visible for the customer note. The internal notes won't be visible for the customers. Rather, the customer note can be viewed for the customers. So that is the main difference between the customer note and internal notes. And I hope this video clarifies how to manage with the internal notes in Odoo 17 POS module. And if you want Odoo customizations or Odoo tutorials, feel free to contact Cybrosys. As always, stay awesome and thank you for watching the video.